Hello students, this is Seema and today I am going to explain you class 11's Hornbill book chapter, the Browning version. I will explain you full chapter with expression words given in this play. The Browning version refers to the English translation of an ancient Greek play made by Robert Browning. He was an eminent poet. Let me first tell you the background of this story. This is a story of a sincere and dedicated teacher, Crocker Harris, who faced several criticism by the other teachers and disliked from the students because of his strictness. Yet, he managed to get a sort of respect and sense of fear from his students. This excerpt presents a conversation between a lower 5th grade student Taplow and science teacher Frank from the school where Taplow studies. Though teacher Crocker Harris is not present in this play, the author illustrates his character through Taplow's point of view and presents it in a direct contact with Frank. Taplow is a 16-year-old boy who is staying back in school to do extra work given by Mr. Crocker Harris. He is waiting as teacher has not yet arrived. The Frank entered and asked Taplow his name and inquires whether he was a science student. Here you will find a new word remove that means in British English result or promotion. One more new word is form that means class. Taplow is still in lower 5th grade and he cannot specialize till he gets a good result. The uniqueness of Mr. Crocker Harris is hinted as he didn't tell the result to the students beforehand other teachers like. He followed the rules of headmaster of declaring the result of each class on the last day of the term. Taplow wants to take up science. Here in this lesson you will find one more new word, slacker. Slacker means a person habitually avoid work or lack of work ethics. Taplow is keen to specialize in science if he get a favorable result as he extremely interested in this subject. Frank retorts that he does not like the science he has to teach. This statement is a satire in the school curriculum and the system of rote learning. Frank believed that most students who opted science were quite poor in studies. The subject attracted all such slackers and not those who really liked science. Here I am going to give you more words given in the lesson, that is muck. Muck means something distasteful or unpleasant or useless. And Aeschylus was an ancient Greek writer. He is described as a father of tragedy. Agamemnon is a play written by Aeschylus. So, Taplow remarks as science is much more interesting than the Greek tragedy Agamemnon, which he considered to be muck. As I taught you, the meaning of muck, that is distasteful or unpleasant. Although he liked the plot but disliked the way it was taught by Crocker Harris because number of Greek words to be learned and if any one went wrong, they have to write each line 50 times as a punishment. Here another expression word you find, kept in. Kept in means retained in school as a punishment. Taplow is staying back on the last day of the school to do the extra work given by his teacher. He does not regret the fact that he could be playing golf at this time. Even the weather seems to be suitable for the sports. Yet, he respects the teacher who has called him to give extra time even though it was the last day in school tomorrow. He must be very busy, yet he waited Taplow to complete his work because he had missed school last week for one day. Frank, that science teacher, commented that Taplow was doing all extra work, hence he was sure to get good result the next day. But Taplow said that was true to ordinary teacher, but same rule did not apply to Mr. Crocker Harris. He refers to him by the nickname the Croc. Taplow expressed his view about Mr. Crocker Harris that he was not a normal human being. He was extremely strict while teaching and while announcing results. When Tableau inquired about his result, he replied in a heavy tone that he was given Tableau exactly as many marks as he deserved, no less and certainly no more. Tableau has been imitating a teacher in front of another teacher. He had also called him crock. Probably he got carried away by his emotions and also because he was not checked by Frank. At this point, Tableau realized his folly and asked whether he had exceeded his limit. He get carried away, get emotionally affected. Tableau apologized to Frank and said that he had got carried away by emotion. Got carried away, that means get emotionally affected or exceeded in his emotion. Surprisingly, instead of checking Tableau, Frank asked him to repeat the same action. Frank encouraged Tableau. When Tableau did what was asked, he commented that his imitation was not even close to Cracker Harry's action. He advised Tableau to concentrate on reading Aeschylus. Another word you can find here is cut. Cut means bunk. Sometimes students bunk the class. Frank gives some suggestion to Tableau as it is already 10 minutes past the time that Crocker Harris has given Tableau. Frank suggests that it has a chance to leave and play golf. However, Tableau seems shocked at these suggestions and is scared that Mr. Crocker Harris might follow him home. Here, further contemplation on Cracker Harris' character at this point put some more light on shed that Cracker Harris' character. Frank admitted envies Mr. Crocker Harris for the effect he had on his students. He asked Tableau if Mr. Harris beat him. So, Tableau said that Mr. Crocker Harris is not a sadist. Sadist means a person who enjoys giving pain to others. A sadist is a word defined as a person who would get pleasure out of others people's pain. So, he said that Mr. Crocker Harris is not a sadist. In Tableau's opinion, most teachers were sadists as they got pleasure out of inflicting pain to students in form of punishment. But Crocker Harris was not sort of person who would beat students and vent his frustration. He is heartless and possesses no feelings at all. If he expressed any emotions, he would not be so frightening and scary. He is hard and shriveled up like a nut. Here, shriveled up means contracted. That Tableau counts the quality of Crocker Harris as he is contracted like a nut from inside and does not like to be liked by others. Surprisingly, and strangely, he was a man who hated those people who liked him. So, Tableau unusual liking towards Crocker Harris. Tableau admit that despite all these unusual personality traits, he still liked Dr. Crocker Harris. Tableau narrates an incident when Mr. Crocker Harris cracked a classical joke in the class. Nobody understood the joke, hence nobody laughed. Even Tableau didn't understand a thing, yet he laughed out of ordinary common politeness. His laughter annoyed Crocker Harris because he knew that Tableau had not even understood single word. Then he asked Tableau to explain the joke to the rest of the class so that they could understand it and laugh. Now in this play, here is an entry of Millie Crocker Harris. Millie Crocker Harris is the wife of Crocker Harris. She is more smartly dressed as compared to other schoolmasters' wives. She probably entered at the time when Tableau imitating his teacher. Tableau feels embarrassed, but Frank is relieved to see her. She asked Tableau whether he was waiting for her husband. She informed Tableau that her husband was with account officer and might take a lot of time there. She discreetly suggested that if she was in Tableau's place, she would leave and not wait for him. Tableau is still reluctant to go and insists that Cracker Harris had asked him to come. Hence, she sent him to the chemist shop with a prescription. Tableau cannot refuse the task assigned by his teacher's wife and agree to go out. That is the end of the explanation of this chapter. So students, this is a small part of Browning version written by Terence Rattigan.